Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Valorant has encountered a connection error. Please relaunch the client to reconnect VAN-1. If you see or if you face such issue, then what you need to do is, in order to fix it, so sometimes you could actually go with the simple steps or a basic one. That is, you could restart your PC. Now this is often the simplest fix as it can resolve temporary glitch or software conflict as well. So you want to completely close this up and then click on the Windows tab and click on the power button and click on restart. This should be able to help you out. Similarly, the next thing what you can also do is you could also close and reopen the Riot Client. For that, you actually want to close this tab and then come to the show hidden icons and right click on the mouse when you locate Vanguard or something familiar with the Valorant and click on exit. After which, once again, right click on the mouse at the bottom of the screen, go to task manager. Here as well, if you locate any sort of applications related with the Valorant or Vanguard, you want to right click Valorant or any of these. You want to click on end task and close this up. Now once again, relaunch it and see, that should be able to fix. The other thing you also want to make sure to check is your internet connections or update your network drivers as well. If the issue still persists on, what you could also do is, if you already have installed Valorant to your device, right click on the mouse, go to open file location. On the next field, you simply want to right click on the mouse once again and go to properties. Then you want to come to compatibility tab, make sure that run this program in a compatibility mode for, as well as run this program as an administrator. Select it, click apply, click OK, close this tab. Now then relaunch Valorant by right click on the mouse and then click on run as an administrator. This should be able to fix the issue. Despite all this procedure, if nothing works out, then the simple solution is to reinstall Vanguard or Valorant. That will be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.